This is an emergency bulletin for players currently inside the forest region of Gorilla Tag.
Confirmed sightings have occurred of a hostile entity known as Daisy-09 inside the forest region of Gorilla Tag. Audio reports indicate that it emits the eerie melody of Daisy Bell, a song historically significant as the first ever sung by a computer. Witnesses say that if Daisy-09 makes contact, individuals may be forcibly removed from the session. Players are advised to avoid the forest region entirely. We will provide updates as more information becomes available.